What's up? So I have been told by multiple people to start a YouTube channel. So here I am trying to start a YouTube channel. This is completely out of my comfort zone. But I wanted to throw a couple of disclaimers out there for y'all. First off, I am not a videographer. I am not a photographer. None of that, as you can probably tell. So my footages are just going to be completely raw. Just whenever I feel like I want to share something and it can be beneficial for others, I just pull out my camera and I make a video. So, and the second thing is this channel is literally for informational purposes, and I just want to help people and spread love. That is absolutely it. So I just want to share the stuff that I've been researching, and I encourage people to research through this channel, because searching things all over again is literally the way to finally change things and change your lifestyle around to actually be beneficial for you. So I hope you enjoy. Peace out. What's up?
But you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing